Your sector is ready. Abby, what about blue sector?
Blue sector, are you ready? Let me hear you scream! That's right, blue sector. All you have to do is very simple. First, you put your candlesticks down. Candlesticks down, everybody, candlesticks down. And when we start the Padang Wave, I want you to stand up and pass it all the way to the green, and then to the yellow, and then we end it off with the red. Can you do it, blue sector? Let me hear you scream! Green sector, can we do it? Let me hear you scream! Yellow sector, let me hear you scream!
Alright, hold on. We have warmed you up. Abby, any moment now, blue sector, start the second wave. People over at Marina Bay, hopefully you can do the wave as well. Abby, over to you, my friend.
Okay, blue sector, let's go. 3, 2, 1, up and go! Go! This way! This way! This way! That's right! Keep it going! Come on, green sector! Come on! Green sector, you better take it slow!
It's an SG60 sector. Here we go!
Bring the energy over there. Thunder 6 in the air. Come on. Get ready, yellow sector. Over to you. Let's go. Take it away. Green cutting off. Red sector, get ready. Red sector, let's go. Come on. Red sector, do me proud. Keep it going. Keep it going. All the way to the end. And finish strong. Red sector, thank you.
Madam, that was amazing. Well done to you. But right now, could you reach into your NDP packs and pull out the Singapore flag, please? The Singapore flag. We're going to need it for our theme song this year. Here we are.
That's right, and this year's theme song is really special because it's written, composed, and sung by talented local singer-songwriter Charlie Lim.
You know what, City? He's not the only voice we hear. We are going to be serenaded by a familiar voice, and that is that of Kit Chan, who joins him in this beautiful duet.
It's going to be fantastic, you guys. What's going to happen is, can we invite everyone to take out your flags right now? Show me that you have it. I see some stacked flags out there. That's really cute. Just make sure you're not blocking anyone's view. What's going to happen is, let's practice this once. We're going to wave it to the left, and we're going to wave it to the right. So it's left, and right, and left, and right. We're mirroring you on the stage, okay? So that's what's going to happen during the song later on.
So ladies and gentlemen at the Padang, remember like what Sonia said, when we say left, we are going towards your left, and then we're going to go towards your right. Later on during Act 1, you might hear